So my name is Rachel Goodermote. I'm here today representing the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. For those who don't know, we're a membership organization based off of 192 national societies worldwide. So today we'll be talking about the approach to community-based surveillance. So what do we mean by CBS? We're talking about the early detection, the systematic reporting and detection of health events by community within community. This involves active engagement with community members and volunteers. The approach is trying to extend the health surveillance system where there are often gaps. Often where we have 5 suspect cases, we may seek care in different locations. In that scenario, those who seek care at a professional health facility may be the only ones captured in the traditional surveillance system. CBS extends the existing surveillance system to the community level, including traditional healers, pharmacists, and others who would be engaged. The idea is not to build a parallel system, but rather engage the community health and the local system beyond the health facility, as well as in the animal health sector. The reason why Red Cross and Red Crescent is a great opportunity to do CBS is that there are over 15 million volunteers worldwide. We're actively engaged in the communities in which they come from, and we're recruited and trained within those communities, building trust. To help with community-based surveillance, the Norwegian Red Cross, also here today, build the NIS platform. This enables a simple SMS tool so that community members with a simple smartphone can report.
Story
so a short
of how
video
using
to
NIS
share.
helped my village. Here is my village. The nearest health facility is very far away. So when people in my community get sick, the doctors won't know about it unless it gets very bad and spreads to a lot of people. As a Red Cross Red Crescent volunteer, I have been trained to help my community when someone feels sick and to report any health risks I notice and other unusual events to the local health authorities. This is called community-based surveillance, or CBS. CBS helps me and other community members fill a gap in the surveillance system. To do CBS more efficiently, we in the Red Cross Red Crescent have developed NIS, a new platform that helps health authorities act faster and save lives. As a CBS volunteer, when I hear or see something unusual in my village, NIS allows me to report it right away, using a simple mobile phone. I just send a short-coded SMS, and then I receive immediate feedback. NIS automatically analyzes all reports sent in by volunteers like me, from my community and others nearby. If the reports show that a lot of people are getting sick in the same place, NIS alerts the local Red Cross Red Crescent and health authorities in real time. That way, they can respond much earlier, and we can continue to take care of those in our community that need help. Early detection leads to early action, which stops outbreaks and ultimately saves lives. With NIS, I have a much better way of reporting health risks in my village. The authorities can act faster and with greater knowledge than before, and we can all help to save lives in our communities and beyond.
Huge thank you also to all the national societies who were engaged in the development of NIS. It was co-developed through, it's all open source and developed also through volunteerism in developing the coding. What we've learned overall, actually the lessons learned have been shared by a lot of the colleagues today and yesterday, but really community engagement from the beginning and throughout the entire process is essential, especially when we're using community case definitions. This is just a map of where we are today and also where we're looking to go. Currently, we're doing community-based surveillance in at least 12 national societies and planning on up to 30 next year. And we have several resources online and through different publications. For example, in anthrax in Kenya, as well as the first detection of COVID-19 in Somaliland. We have colleagues here today as well. So thank you very much for the opportunity to share.